What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I put the suit back on because this house deserves a suit. It really does. This house is spectacular. It was actually on one of my videos a little while ago, and it's come back on because I really want to show this house off even more. This spectacular villa in Laguna Vista, only 10 minutes from AJIJIC, heading west. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Varney. I upload videos every single week here on YouTube, giving you little tips and tricks about buying real estate, showing you properties, talking about lifestyle here in Mexico. And if you're into that, guys, consider subscribing, hit that notification button so you get notified of all the videos I do on a weekly basis. Anyway, without further ado, Luxury Views is listed for $650,000 US. The lot size is 835 square meters. That comes out at 8,988 square feet. And the construction is 452 square meters, which is 4,865 square feet. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1-level villa located in Laguna Vista, only 10 minutes from AJIJIC by car. You have a heated pool with a jacuzzi. The house has its own solar energy. As you come into the main living area, is topped off with a 17-foot high arched dome. The PVC doors from south to north open all the way back to turn this area into a great party zone. The house has very nice finishes when it comes to the carpentry work throughout. So if you're looking for a house with spectacular views of Lake Chapala, I have to say, guys, the house has the most amazing sunrises. So we've got one more house to see on my open house today. So welcome to my second open house of the day here in Laguna Vista. This fantastic property is priced at $409,000 US. The lot size is 632 square meters, which comes out at 6,803 square feet. And the construction is 275 square meters, 2,960 square feet. Welcome to Vistas Deluxe. As you can see here, the carport, you have space for 2 vehicles. All of the houses here in Laguna Vista have spectacular views of Lake Chapala. What's really nice about this property is there isn't one step all of the properties here in Laguna Vista have the most spectacular Boveda ceilings. As I mentioned, this property, different from the last one. The other one was 3 bedrooms. This is 2 bedrooms, but the 2 bedrooms are very, very nice size. I want to give you a nice view of the living room area from the kitchen. This house is facing south, so you're going to get some awesome views from here. Sunsets, sunrises. We're going to go and check out the outside after we've seen the bedrooms. I'm going to take you into the master bedroom to begin with. This is facing south. Also topped off with this great Boveda ceiling with cove lighting. And in between, similar to the other property which you've seen, you have a really nice closet between the master bedroom and the ensuite bathroom. Coming back out from the closet into the master bedroom, I want to show you the other bedroom. Again, a lovely size. Yes, with another Boveda ceiling. This house comes fully furnished, and you also have an ensuite bathroom. What I really like as well here is from the windows, you get really nice views of the mountain behind you, heading north. A gas fireplace here on your right hand side. And a lovely seating area with a jacuzzi in the far corner. And this is really where the views of Lake Chapala start opening up. You have a really nice sized garden here. As I mentioned, guys, the lot itself is 632 square meters. Things that you need to know. Yes, the HOAs here are $200 every quarter. You've also got a nice little den that they're using as a TV room here. So thank you so much for coming along, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Comment down below which house did you prefer. That would be great. And all the information will be down below of these 2 fantastic properties in Laguna Vista. And I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.